Welcome to today's deep dive. Our mission today is to really explore how businesses track your digital footprint. And we're utilizing some incredible research on algorithmic customer journey mapping and agentic AI to do it.
Yeah, it's a huge paradigm shift.
It really is. I mean, for decades, companies would run these creative workshops to build static paper customer journey maps.
Right, which were basically outdated the second they were printed.
Exactly, just pure guesswork. Okay, let's unpack this, because today data scientists aren't guessing what you do. They're using hard data to track your actual behavior.
Yeah, to escape those useless paper maps, data scientists needed a way to map reality. And that led to the computational discovery of process mining.
Process mining.
Right, it uses event logs, so like every click or app open you make, to generate a completely factual model of your journey. But the early algorithms for this, like the GSP algorithm, they were incredibly slow.
Because they repeatedly scan the entire database, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Every single time.
So GSP is like rereading an entire dictionary every time you want to find a word, while the newer one, prefix span, is like an intelligent index that magically shrinks to only show the pages you need.
That is a perfect analogy. Prefix span uses this divide and conquer pattern growth strategy, so it continuously shrinks the projected database, which gives companies massive scalability.
Oh, wow. But, once companies can instantly map reality with prefix span, the next logical step is to, stop just watching the map and start driving the car.
Yes, and what's fascinating here is that this is where agentic AI steps in.
Right, so we're not talking about those awful, static, scripted chatbots.
No, not at all. Agentic systems use LLMs combined with retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, to fulfill really complex goals.
Okay, so, if I need a flight change, the AI authenticates me, securely queries the live booking engine, processes my refund, and updates the CRM in one seamless step.
Exactly. It does all that autonomously. And it enables these self-healing journeys. For instance, data shows these automated systems are resolving 71% of detected containerized failures.
Wait, 71%?
Yeah, 71% of back-end failures are fixed before the customer even notices a glitch.
That is insane. But letting AI autonomously track and fix your journey slams directly into the brick wall of data privacy laws.
Oh, absolutely.
And here's where it gets really interesting. How does a company pinpoint my exact aha moment? When I first sync a cloud file on a second device without crossing the line into feeling incredibly creepy.
Well, it's what we call the privacy personalization paradox. 76% of consumers demand personalization, but they absolutely will not tolerate data mishandling.
Right. Nobody wants their data misused.
Exactly. So regulators are stepping in. Like South Africa's strict POPIA regulations, they demand absolute data minimization. If you hoard data, you're looking at threats of up to R10 million in administrative fines.
R10 million. Wow. But despite that massive risk, the real-world ROI must be huge, right?
Oh, it is. I mean, REI parsed 90 terabytes of data to completely turn around their member acquisition.
90 terabytes?
Yeah. And HelloFresh used it to save 20 hours daily on analytics reporting.
20 hours every single day. That is incredible.
It really transforms the whole process. Customer journey mapping is evolved into this dynamic, value-generating asset, but it has to blend algorithmic discovery with strict privacy by design.
Right, or the whole thing falls apart.
Exactly.
Well, it's a brilliant evolution, but it leaves me with one final kind of lingering question for you, the listener, to mull over. If agentic AI eventually becomes so perfectly good at predicting our needs and self-healing all of our friction, will a perfectly orchestrated digital journey eliminate the human joy of accidental discovery? Something to think about next time your app seems to know what you want before you even tap.